Yunus Rayyan, Professional Product Manager at EPA. I'm here to talk about a citric-based germicidal solution called CleanCide. CleanCide is an EPA-registered medical-grade cleaner for non-porous surfaces. CleanCide delivers powerful efficacy against pathogens without the harmful effect of other chemical disinfectants. It's also on the EPA's list N, which covers products expected to kill the SARS CoV-2 when used according to its label. CleanCide is available in a variety of forms, including a 1-quart ready-to-use spray, a 160-count pre-moistened white canister, and an 80-count white reusable filter. The citric-based solution proved compatible with the most common frame materials, as detailed in a study conducted by EPA utilizing Colt Laboratories. For more information on this study, please contact EPA. Thank you for watching our video. To view more of our videos, please go to ecovision.com.